Today, I'm talking about the things guys do that girls actually hate. Guys, gotta love them, but just not everything they do. Am I right, ladies? So hopefully this helps you guys. Number 1, guys who brag about getting wasted. It doesn't sound cool and it does not impress women.
Yeah, bro, I totally spewed last night and woke up next to a garden hose.
It makes them want to walk away. I'm done. Number 2, being cocky. Hey, I'm a fan of seeing a guy in great shape, but when he shows off too much, that turns me off. Don't be like,
I'm so good at football, bro, and the NFL is totally scouting me right now.
we all know they're not scouting you, so just stop, bro. Number 3, being unclean. If a guy is smelly to the point of no girl is gonna be into you. Take a shower. You know that thing where the water comes out and you put soap on? Yeah, do that every day. And don't try to cover up your smell with a bunch of cologne either. Too much cologne is not sexy. It's almost just as bad as smelling bad. I'll throw up on you if you have too much cologne. Seriously. Number 4, put the seat down. This is as basic as it gets, gentlemen. Hey, if I was a guy, I'd flip up too. But I'm not, so put it down. Thanks. No girl wants to wake up in the middle of the night to pee, only to sit on a wet seat and nearly fall in. So wipe the toilet, put the seat down, and we'll just be fine. Comprende? Thanks for watching. I'm Kat, and I'll see you next time.